This is a 15-minute standing core workout. It's beginner-friendly, but still super effective. This workout isn't just for your abs. It strengthens your whole core, including your deep core, obliques, and lower back to support good posture. Let's get started. Roll your shoulders big and open up your chest and core. This is a light warm-up to get your body ready. We're going to rotate our core side to side. Hold your fist in front of you and let your core move in the same direction. Hold your hands at chest height and tap your knee to your hand twice. Then switch legs. Side lunge to your left. Drop your right hand down and reach your left arm up. Now side lunge to your right. Drop your left hand down and reach your right arm up. Swing both arms from the bottom left to the upper right corner. Swing up your left leg to the side. Now swing both arms from the bottom right to the upper left and swing up your right leg to the side. Curtsy with your left leg and push your left palm right. Stand and push your right palm left. side, curtsy with your right leg and push your right palm left. Stand and push your left palm right. Keep both elbows up in front of you and twist your core to bring your right elbow to your left knee. Now let's do the other side. Twist your core to bring your left elbow to your right knee. Cross punch low to the side, then up, and bring it back down. This is a killer ab workout. Let's go! Kick your heel toward your glute while reaching your arms up, stretching your core with each move. Press your palms together and draw the biggest circle with your hands, using your whole entire body. Now let's go to the other way. Make sure to go down and reach to the side fully. Keep your palms out in front of your chest. Rotate your core and hips together to turn your body back. Clasp your hands together, step forward, twist your core, and drop your hands to the side. Keep alternating. Bend your knees, lean your chest forward slightly. Swing up and lift your knees one by one. Step into a wide stance, keep your back straight, and hinge forward with straight arms. Moving side to side engages your deep core, improves flexibility, and strengthens your back. Push your abs to your back and exhale fully. Then inhale, expanding your core and chest to take in oxygen. This helps activate your deep core muscles properly, improving strength, posture, and breathing control. Slowly raise your leg to the front. If you can, flex your foot to activate your hamstrings and core. Feet together, bend your knees, swing your arms back, then stand and reach overhead. Great job! Let's stretch a little before you go. Breathe in and out. Step your right foot forward and reach your left arm to the right to stretch. I hope you can drop a comment below about your workout experience with KeikoFlex. Let's do other side. If you liked this, check out my 2025 Get Fit Challenge playlist for more workouts. Swing both arms all the way up, then down, making a big circle. Let's reverse. Grab both shoulders, squeeze them in, and bend forward. Roll up slowly. Clasp your hands behind you. Push them down, open your chest, and slowly lift your chin. We worked so hard today. Let's relax your body. Breathe in, breathe out. Thanks for watching KeikoFlex. More 15-minute beginner workouts are coming your way. Don't miss out. Like and subscribe for your next new workout. See you next time.